Hello everyone, welcome to week 4 for BCOM 3113. Real quick update video. Obviously this is a holiday week, so again I hope you all can maybe enjoy yourselves just a little bit. But I've adjusted the schedule a little bit to try to make it more manageable for you. So we've got 2 reading assignments, chapter 8, chapter 9. There's accompanying lecture videos. These are very important because that's the next thing. The only other thing that's on the agenda for this week is the business message portfolio. So that is the next big assignment. It's not due till for quite a while, but I want to make sure that you all get started on it as soon as possible. So if you have any questions at all as you're going through this, I've posted a video that I actually recorded like a semester or two ago as a walkthrough, so just ignore the dates, but all the other information is correct. In the coming week, I will put a very detailed grading rubric up underneath the content tab for the assignment, so that should help alleviate any issues in terms of what we'll be looking for. So again, happy Independence Day week. Stay safe out there. And let me know if you all have any questions, and have a great one.